We've got Magic's mystery sound, and nobody's guessed it. If you can tell us what it is, it's £10,000.
Sorry, I thought that was you moving against your mic.
Well,
Right, that's Andrea's guess.
Is it a slowed down like roar or something? Something going
Something
roar.
backwards?
Is it some kind of animal?
We haven't had anybody
that we haven't
suggest
locked away now.
I love that. Yeah, you're close now. You're definitely getting there. Give us a guess. Go on. Have
That
a
was
go.
my guess.
That's your guess.
That was a guess. All right. Are you gonna
Or
go
maybe
with
it's a person slowed
can you
down.
give it one more time?
Yawning.
yes?
It's
No.
Ronan yawning
It's
in the
me.
morning.
Well, that happens.
It sounds like something is hitting up against a mic or something like that to me.
We've been waiting for a winner, and this morning we still haven't got one.
Oh, God.
Can't believe it.
Sorry.